Admonition 12. When thou perceivest that discord is in the army of the foe, not the internet server, but, sometimes, be thou at ease. But if they are united, be apprehensive of thy own distress. Go and sit and repose with thy friends, when thou seest war among the enemies. But if thou perceivest that they all agree, span thy bow and carry stones upon the rampart. Well, your true friends will never lead you into an unjust war. So that's one way to figure it out. They won't go into it just because it's, this is the popular decision, or my country, or whatever. It's like, well, is your country defending itself, or, and there are different types of enemies. Some of them much more insidious than anything that you fight outwardly. Regardless how serious that outward fight may be.